Using the Welcare Insect Bite Healer is simple and fast. Let's walk through the steps. Step 1. Insert the batteries. The Welcare Insect Bite Healer runs on two AAA batteries, offering up to 300 applications per set. Step 2. Turn on the device by pressing the power button. The green LED will light up, indicating the device is ready for use. Step 3. Select the temperature mode. Place the heating plate directly on the affected area. Once in position, select the desired temperature mode. For children or individuals with sensitive skin, press the activation button once to activate mode 1, which heats to 47 degrees Celsius for 3 seconds. For normal use, press the button twice to activate mode 2, which heats to 50 degrees Celsius for 6 seconds. Step 4. Place the heating plate directly on the insect bite or sting. The controlled heat will neutralize itching and reduce swelling. Step 5. After the set time, a single buzzer sounds to indicate the application is complete. Remove the heating plate from the affected area and turn it off. For additional relief, the process can be repeated after 2 minutes. Do not exceed 5 applications per hour on the same area. The Welcare Insect Bite Healer is compact, portable, and ready to be taken on your next adventure. Always read the label and follow the directions for use.